Alright, let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. These platforms are digital marketplaces where people buy and sell cryptocurrencies. They connect buyers and sellers globally, operating 24/7. The interface is your control panel for trading. A well-designed interface makes things easy, while a poor one can be confusing. It's the bridge between you and the crypto market. Understanding this interface empowers you to take action. It's crucial for everyone, from beginners to expert traders. Exchanges work hard to improve these interfaces because they know it's key to user adoption. Moving on to the importance of user-friendly design. A user-friendly design means it's easy to use and feels intuitive. This simplicity is powerful, especially in finance and with new technology like crypto. A clear design helps users learn faster and builds their confidence. Good design reduces stress for users, making the experience more pleasant. A transparent and easy-to-use interface shows respect and signals that the platform is professional. Now, let's talk about some essential features that every trader should be familiar with. These include charts, order books, and security measures. Trading charts are crucial as they show the price history of a cryptocurrency, allowing you to see patterns and trends over time. This helps in making informed decisions. The order book is another essential tool. It lists all current buy and sell orders, showing the supply and demand at various price levels. This can give you insights into market sentiment. Security features are equally important. They protect your account and funds from unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Features like withdrawal whitelists and email confirmations are designed to guard against hackers and unauthorized transactions. Charts help you analyze the market by providing visual representations of price movements and trends. The order book shows current market activity, including the volume of trades at different price points. Security features protect your assets by ensuring that only you have access to your account and funds. A good exchange provides all these tools, making them easy to find and use so you can focus on trading. Learning to use these tools effectively will not only improve your trading decisions but also keep your crypto assets safe and secure. Section 4. Personalized power, the advantage of customizable dashboards. A customizable dashboard is like your personal office. You decide what information is most important and which tools are visible. This flexibility allows the interface to adapt to you. It can make you more efficient and help you react faster to market changes. For new users, customization can reduce overwhelm. Experienced traders can create complex layouts matching their strategies. Customizable dashboards improve focus by filtering out noise, leading to better decision-making. Section 5. Always connected, the necessity of mobile compatibility. In today's world, we are always moving and we use our smartphones for everything. From checking emails and social media to managing finances and trading cryptocurrencies, our mobile devices have become indispensable tools in our daily lives. The convenience and accessibility they offer are unparalleled. Mobile compatibility is now essential for crypto trading. Traders need to be able to monitor the markets, execute trades, and manage their portfolios on the go. This flexibility allows them to respond to market changes in real time, no matter where they are. A good mobile app or website is crucial, offering most desktop features. This includes real-time data, advanced charting tools, and seamless navigation. Users expect a smooth and intuitive experience that mirrors what they get on their desktops. Security must also be strong on mobile, with biometric logins like fingerprint or facial recognition. These features provide an additional layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can access their accounts and perform transactions. The convenience of mobile trading is undeniable, allowing you to act from anywhere. Whether you're traveling, at work, or simply away from your computer, you can stay connected to the markets and make informed decisions. Mobile compatibility also makes crypto more accessible, opening up trading to more people. It lowers the barrier to entry, enabling individuals who may not have access to a desktop computer to participate in the crypto market. Exchanges invest heavily in their mobile platforms, ensuring users can engage with crypto whenever and wherever they choose. This commitment to mobile development reflects the growing importance of mobile compatibility in the world of cryptocurrency trading. Section 6. Seamless trading. How great interfaces enhance your crypto journey. User-friendly design is the foundation. making everything easier to understand. A well-designed interface reduces the learning curve, allowing even beginners to start trading with confidence. It ensures that all necessary information is easily accessible, reducing the chances of making errors. Key tools like charts and order books provide insight, helping you make informed decisions. These tools are essential for tracking market trends and understanding price movements. With detailed analytics, you can strategize better and maximize your profits. Security features protect your valuable assets, building a trustworthy environment. Features like two-factor authentication and encryption ensure that your transactions are secure. This peace of mind allows you to focus on trading without worrying about potential threats. Customizable dashboards offer personal control, improving efficiency and focus. You can tailor the interface to suit your trading style, placing the most important tools and information right at your fingertips. This customization enhances your trading experience, making it more intuitive and efficient. Mobile compatibility ensures you are always connected, trading and monitoring from anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, a mobile-friendly interface allows you to stay on top of the market. This flexibility is crucial in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. All these elements work together to create a seamless trading experience. When the interface is intuitive and all features are easily accessible, it enhances your ability to trade efficiently. This seamless integration of tools and features ensures that you can focus on making the best trading decisions. A well-designed exchange can significantly improve your results and make the process more enjoyable. By providing a user-friendly, secure, and customizable environment, it empowers you to trade with confidence and achieve your financial goals.